Llama Llama Misses Mama by Anna Dewdney. Llama Llama warm in bed. Wakey wakey sleepyhead.
Good morning.
Llama school begins today. Time to learn and time to play. Make the bed and find some clothes. Brush the teeth and blow the nose. Eat some breakfast, clean the plate. Oops, oh my, we're running late.
Let's hurry.
Drive to school and park the car. Tell the teacher who you are.
My name is Llama Llama.
Meet new faces, hear new names. See new places, watch new games. Hang the coat and say goodbye. Llama Llama feeling shy. Mama Llama goes away. Llama Llama has to stay. Strange new teacher, strange new toys. Lots of kids and lots of noise. What would Llama like to do? Llama Llama feels so new. Build a castle out of blocks? Make a rocket from a box? Llama Llama shakes his head. Llama walks away instead. Here's the little choo-choo with a captain and a crew. Would the llama like a ride? Llama Llama tries to hide. Reading stories on the rug?
Whoa.
Kids are cuddled, sitting snug. Would the llama like to look? Llama Llama hates that
I don't
book.
like this one.
Time for lunch. Now find a seat. Llama doesn't want to eat. Llama makes a little moan. Llama Llama feels alone. Llama misses Mama so. Why did Mama Llama go? It's too much for little llama. Llama Llama misses Mama. Don't be sad, new little llama. It's okay to miss your mama, but don't forget when day's through, she will come right back to you. Llama Llama, please don't fuss. Have some fun and play with us. Put on coats and run outside. See the playhouse, try the slide. Tag and jump rope, hide and seek. Close your eyes and do no peek. Now it's time to draw and write. Great big crayons, colors bright. Take some paper from the stack. Mama Llama, you came back! Teacher gets a goodbye hug. Wave to friends on reading rug. Climb the playhouse with the slide. See if Mama fits inside. Lots to show and lots to say. Back again another day. Llama finds out something new. He loves Mama
Aww.
and school too.